Good morning, everyone. Today, we will dive deep into the technologies powering our file comparison system. This system enables us to accurately compare files such as PDFs and Excel sheets, which is crucial in fields like legal, medical, and corporate environments for document validation, verification, and data analysis. Throughout this presentation, I will not only explain the technologies but also provide a look into some of the core code implementations that make this system function seamlessly. So let's go. Let's start by looking at the technology stack that we have integrated. Flask, a micro web framework that handles the backend processes such as routing and file uploads. Pandas, for manipulating and processing Excel files. PyPDF2 handles PDF file extraction and manipulation. Tabula extracts structured tables from PDFs, making the comparison with Excel data smoother. FPDF, a tool used to generate downloadable PDF reports after the comparison. HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. They provide the user interface and interactivity needed for file uploads and result displays. All these technologies are combined to create a robust, efficient, and user-friendly system. So now let's move on to Flask, which forms the backbone of our application. Flask is a Python-based micro web framework designed to facilitate quick development and prototyping of web applications. For the installation of Flask, we have installation command, which is pip install flask. We can run it in command prompt or terminal. All the necessary packages and requirements will be completely installed. Flask handles the file upload processes, routing, and connects the front-end to back-end logic. It is responsible for receiving user file uploads, whether it's an Excel file or a PDF, and then orchestrating the flow between the libraries involved in the comparison. It it orchestrates the flow of data between user requests and the various libraries used for file comparison. Next is Pandas, a powerful open source library for data manipulation and analysis. In projects, Pandas is essential for reading and processing Excel files. It helps ensure that the data is clean, well structured, and ready for comparison with the extracted PDF data. For the installation of Pandas, we have installation command, which is pip install pandas. Again, we can run it in command prompt or terminal, and all necessary packages will be installed. Once the data is loaded, we can manipulate it by cleaning and organizing the data to ensure it's in the correct format for comparison or not. The Pandas, it's an open source data manipulation library. It is used for reading and processing Excel files and ensuring efficient extraction and manipulation of data. Now we are going to see our very good PDF handling tool, which is PyPDF2. PyPDF2 is a Python library used to read, extract, and manipulate PDF files. It plays a crucial role in extracting text content from the PDFs uploaded by users. For the installation of PyPDF2, we have installation command, which is pip install pypdf2. It extracts text from uploaded PDF files for line-by-line comparison. We have a small code snippet for pypdf2, or we can say for PDF file handlings. This function or this code snippet extracts and processes each line from the PDF, allowing for a more accurate comparison with the Excel data, such as that with lines are given in the code snippet like reader equal to py pdf2 dot pdf reader pdf file. It is for the reading of file, and in the other line which is text equal to paste dot extract text, it is extracting text line by line, and then it will process their other functionalities of comparison and listing mismatches and many more things. Now our next tool is Tabula. Earlier we are extracting text from the PDFs. Now Tabula comes into play when dealing with structured data in PDF format. It allows us to extract tables from PDFs, convert them into data frames using pandas, and then perform comparison with Excel data. For the installation of Tabula, we have given a command which is pip install tabula-py. We can run it in command prompt or terminal, and all the necessary packages and requirements will be satisfied. Tabula Tabula extract Tabula extracts the data and converts the tables into a data frame. This extraction ensures that we can convert even complex PDF tables into a format that pandas can work with for comparison. Now, our next tool, which is FPDF, generating PDF reports. Once the comparison is complete, we use FPDF to generate a downloadable PDF summary report. This library allows us to customize and generates the comparison results as a formatted report. For the installation purpose, we have installation command pip install fpdf. It will install the all necessary packages. We have a code snippet about fpdf, which is pdf equal to fpdf pdf.add page pdf.set font, in which Arial font type and size of the fonts is given. This snippet demonstrates how fpdf generates a well-formatted PDF report summarizing the differences found between the two files. Now, all the tools we have seen, but to complete the system, we use HTML, CSS, and JavaScript on the front end. These technologies help create a simple and clean interface for the user to upload files and view the comparison results. HTML provides the structure for the upload forms. CSS is responsible for styling the page, and JavaScript ensures that the interaction with the system is smooth, validating inputs and sending requests to Flask. Its usage are that the development should be user-friendly interface, and it should be attractive, through which user should not be bored by the interface of any website app. So for that, HTML, CSS, and JavaScripts are used for creating web pages, and we can say JavaScript enables the dynamic content on web pages, and CSS is a styling HTML elements. Now, as we come to an end of our tutorial, so what you have learned, that understanding of document comparison, technologies and libraries, backend and front-end integration, file format handling, installation and usage of libraries. In summaries, we have covered many technologies like Flask, Pandas, PyPDF2, Tabula, and FPDF, and their roles in building the file comparison system. We have also seen code snippets, how these technologies work together from file uploads and data extraction to PDF report generation. We have also seen system workflow. From user file uploads on the front end, the data moves through Flask to be processed, compared, and finally reported back to the user in the form of a downloadable PDF. We have seen the insights, or we can say we have gained the insights into how Flask is used to handle backend processes like file uploads and routings, while we have also seen HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to manage the front-end user experience. We have also learned how to handle the different file formats, learned how can effectively manage multiple file formats, for example like PDF and Excel using a combination of technologies. We gain a familiarity with the core technologies and libraries used, including Flask, Pandas, PyPDF2, FBDF, Tabula for table extractions and comparisons, how they work together to create document comparison. We have understand the importance of document comparison in enhancing accuracy, efficiency in organization sectors like legal, medical, environment, academic purposes for the marks verification, and many more. We have gained the practical knowledge of how to install these modern and technologies and libraries, and how to implement these most important keys libraries into our projects. So thank you very much for your attention. I hope this technical deep dive has provided clarity on how the file comparison system functions, leveraging these powerful technologies. Thank you.